Hey guys, welcome back to another JavaScript programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining what callbacks are in JavaScript. So a callback function is basically a function which you've just predefined and it's going to be called by some other process. So it's hard to explain in words, but essentially some functions such as setTimeout, this is going to take in a handler, which in this case is the callback function. So it wants us to assign a function we want us to pass in a function as a parameter. So let's just create a callback function up here, and this can just be any generic function. I'm just going to create a function which prints hello. This is a callback function. So this is our callback function, right? And this setTimeout function is taking this entire function as a parameter, and as well as its other parameters. Let's just set that to 3000 or 1000. And the whole idea of a callback function is it's basically passing a function as a parameter so that this can now use it. This new function can now use it. So all we've done is this is just going to run whatever code is in this function after 1000 milliseconds. And you can see it gives us that. Now I can show you guys how to implement a callback function pretty easily. So let's just say we had a random function and we wanted to take in other functions. So we take in function 1, and in TypeScript you need to define this. So this is just going to be something which takes in nothing and gives out a void. And let's say let's just only take in one function for now. So you can see this function we're writing, if we try and call it, this is actually going to take in another function as a parameter. And I wonder if you can also just, yeah, okay. So we can also just take in an entire function as yeah, okay. Anyways, so this function now, if we're inside of this, what we can do is we can use this function just like a regular function, and it's basically one of the arguments. So this function doesn't exist, but because we've taken it as a parameter, we can now use it. And now when we're trying to call this random function, we also need to pass in a callback function as a argument. So here I've created one inline, or we could just create one like I did previously and just pass that in. So either way, let's write this function was called through another function. And yeah, that is the whole idea of callbacks, that they allow you to call one function from within another function. It's really useful when you're generating things, and quite an advanced programming technique, but once you get used to it, it's super useful. So thanks for watching, and yeah, that was what callback functions are in JavaScript. See you guys in another tutorial. Bye.